Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. So I'm bringing you a mini TN flick through. So I've got a part 1 and a part 2 on how to make this from start to finish, and this is the little flick through. Now this should be elastic, but I don't have any at the moment, so I'm waiting for it to come, but it's worked quite well with bit of baker's twine. So that's baker's twine there, held together with, I just so I laminated the cover and I've just put little eyelets in the front and back there, and we've got eyelets there for the cord to hold the mini album, well, the TN, so it will come in and out, so you can replace it. So when you fill this, you can make another one and pop it back in. It is easier when it's elasticated. This is a sewn journal, and I say it's a laminated cover, and I put these extra little pockets in the front and the back. I've used a single paper pack, haven't got very much of it left, and this was called Field and Flower, and it is a freebie from Stamping Up during celebration, which ends on the 28th, and I just wanted to use it to make a lovely journal, so I could like stroke it forever, because that's what I like to do with my beautiful DSP. So I've also found I've got these little Memories and More cards, the like Project Life, in it as well, which I thought went quite well with the paper. I've added these lovely decorative elements to each of the sort of page edges and the pocket edges, and then all the tags, most of the tags, I've put little sentiments. I've left that plain because I figured you'd put a photograph on it, or you might put journaling, and then so you can add, this is 120 GSM copy of paper, you can add that to it if you wish. So plenty of space there for photos. You can put like tickets, etc. in there. So there's another one of these great journaling cards that went really well, I think, with this. I haven't bothered with something in that side, because I quite like that. So yeah, these are all Stamping Up dies. I've used Stamping Up throughout this journal, and they are all available apart from the 1/2" circle punch, and I did use a crocodile, but other than that, all Stamping Up and all available. So yes, that's another one of my favourite sentiments there, and there I do like that little daisy touch. That one I decided not to put anything on because that's just beautiful florals. Really liked that, thought that one matched with that. Love these, my favourite. I think that's a really nice centre spread. Quite liked the way that turned out. Likewise that one. I'll say another little sentiment there from one of our stamp sets. Really like that, felt that went as a nice little card there. Likewise there. So I do love the way the sort of dies are sort of layering up to create this. This is a pocket, a faux envelope, not a pocket, faux envelope there for journaling on. I make these a lot in junk journals, and then there we've got a little secret pocket for sticking things in. So quite liked that, and that goes, I think, really well with the colours on this page. Love that paper. That marries up really nicely as well, as does that. I quite like that, it's nice and clean, as is that one. And there I added another envelope. I do show you how I make this, and that is a wee pocket there. Could make a little tag to go in it, but that's another little journaling spot. And then we're back to the back, and that is my little journal. So I hope you like that little flick through, and I hope if you want to make one that you'll check out my videos. I'll have a playlist of my Field and Flower Mini TN Traveller's Notebook, and you'll be able to check out the other 2 videos in this. So yeah, like and subscribe if you aren't already a subscriber, please. That would be lovely. I've recently hit the milestone of 4,000, and now I'm on my journey to 5. And yeah, and there'll be links down below to all the items that I use to make this, and they will link to my shop if you wish to purchase anything. And there'll also be a blog post, so there'll be a link to my blog as well down below, where you can see sort of nice close-up pictures of this, and the links to the other videos will be there as well. Okay, I'll probably link them down below as well. That's going to be a hell of a long description down below, isn't it? Okay, see you again soon. Stay safe. Bye.